Uh-oh.
Right there, right there.
Oh, I caught a firework. Yeah, 4 seconds in. You know what I mean? That was perfect timing right there. Here's Ashton Tyler. You hear the fireworks going off? Sounds like the Civil War and shit, but you don't see them. Grand finale. I don't see them. Oh, they're over here. They're over here. Right there. I see them. Oh, there's one right there. Look, right there. He's got a cone on his head because of morbid him. There's some over here somewhere. I hear him. Why are they doing nothing? That's bull. Yeah. What the fuck happened there? Some bullshit.
He's just like, pick me up! Oh, stop crying! It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. This big old thing in my face. It's okay. You're such a baby. You're such a baby.
Alright. See, it's so much better to see fireworks with the puppies.
It is. Oh, look, there's some over there.
Over here. Fireworks.
Good boy.
We should have had our own fireworks.
We should have bought some.
Oh well. Look, she wants to get picked up now. She's like, yeah, right.
You start crying. You're such a big boy.
What's wrong with you?
So what the hell is that? Oh, we missed a big one.
That's all. It was pretty.
Look, he's there's some. Theirs aren't doing too good. Put you back down.
Yeah, those don't seem to be doing anything at all. What's going on with the fireworks?